To y'all that say I'm racist, I'd like you to meet Jelly Roll, my best friend in the whole cotton picking world. We're both just chocolate and vanilla pudding all just swirled together.
I'm just the bitch who makes the biscuits.
Hey y'all, it's
African American.
Cooking with Paula Deen to prove once and for all that I love all you
African Americans.
Now you stop all fooling, Jelly Roll. You agreed to tell him how nice I am to y'all.
Oh, you mean like that time when we had that pancake fundraiser and I had to dress up as Aunt Jemima?
Look, we just needed someone with an afro. But I say that all black folks just all have the whitest teeth. So I don't get all these rappers who ruin it with gold. Ooh, this cheese looks tastier than God's cock. Move over, bitches. Here comes my white power flower.
You think you all sitting there making fun of our struggles? You know, it has not been easy for our people, okay? We have had to fight for rights that you've always had. We need to pass laws just so we could learn to read, so we could vote.
Wait, you learned to read?
Huh? I'm out. Fuck you, Paula.
Oh, Jelly Roll.
My name ain't Jelly Roll. My name is Evelyn. I hope you choke on that biscuit, you fat redneck. You're probably scared of your own shit because it's darker than Halle Berry.
Now, does racism affect my life? No, it doesn't. Half the black people I know are on time for stuff. Now, will you please tell y'all that I love the blacks?
It's not true.
Next week we got a new guest.
It's
going
not
to be a
true.
rapper named Young Jeezy.
I'm sick of listening to this white bitch.